Painting without a brain? What do I mean by that? Well, this course has been designed to dispel many of the misconceptions that learning to paint requires a lot of knowledge. I will take you through the principles that I use on a daily basis to paint the complex finished paintings I do every day here. And I boiled them down to very simple fundamentals, and I put them into stages that are easy to digest for any beginner. I go through which brushes I use, which paints I use, and then I take you through the process of preparing the canvas surface just the way I like it. And then we will go into drawing, and I will give you simple principles that will allow you to draw anything. So once we get the drawing onto the board, we move on to separating shadows from lights. And then I'm going to go into edges. Edges are this beautiful tool that can take a two-value painting that you put on that canvas, and almost immediately you can start turning it into a very finished looking painting. From there, we go into color. Color is that magical tool that brings things to life, but when you take it into stages, it's not a mysterious, scary thing at all. You're going to see your painting come to life with just a little bit of broken color, and then we move on to the finishing touches. This course is heavy on demonstrations. I don't want anything to be just spoken without showing you how to do it. So we will take you step by step using the principles that we've already laid down for learning how to draw. And through that process, I think you'll come to understand why I titled this course the way I did. Because knowledge of the thing you're drawing or painting can actually hinder your ability to draw it. You end up drawing a formula of the thing that you're thinking about rather than what's in front of you and seeing with your eyes. So if you've been wanting to know how to draw or paint anything and you don't think you could ever get there because you don't know enough, remember, I've designed this just for you. I hope to see you there. Consider taking the course. Thanks for watching.